Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to register for the KuCoin app. First, download the KuCoin app from your phone's App Store, whether it's the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once installed, open the app and select the option to sign up. You can choose to register using either your email address or your phone number. Be sure to create a strong, unique password for your account to ensure its security. Next, KuCoin will send a verification code to the email or phone number you provided. Enter this code into the app to confirm your contact details. You will also need to agree to the platform's terms of service and privacy policy. For enhanced security, it's highly recommended to set up two-factor authentication, often referred to as 2FA, using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator. After initial setup, you may need to complete identity verification or KIC to unlock all features and higher withdrawal limits. This typically involves providing personal information and uploading a government-issued ID. Once verified, take some time to explore the KuCoin app. Familiarize yourself with its various features, trading pairs, and investment products. When you're ready, you can fund your account to start trading digital assets. With your account set up, you can now delve into KuCoin's extensive offerings. Explore hundreds of trading pairs, from popular cryptocurrencies to newer altcoins. You can also utilize advanced order types, like limit and stop-loss orders, to execute your trading strategies effectively. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals to enhance your reading experience while you manage your crypto portfolio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.